Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your online sales with BigCommerce, detailed guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your online sales with BigCommerce, start by evaluating your current sales strategy. Assess your existing store to identify strengths and weaknesses. Research your target audience to understand their preferences and purchasing behavior. Select a suitable BigCommerce plan that aligns with your business goals. Install any necessary apps and integrations from the BigCommerce marketplace. Optimize your store's design using customizable templates to enhance user experience. Enhance product descriptions with engaging content and high-quality images. Implement SEO best practices to improve your store's visibility on search engines. Set up a comprehensive email marketing strategy to nurture leads and recover abandoned carts. Utilize BigCommerce analytics tools to track performance and identify sales trends. Explore various payment gateways to provide customers with flexible payment options. Optimize checkout processes to reduce cart abandonment and streamline purchases. Leverage social media and online advertising to reach a wider audience. Create compelling promotions or discounts to entice new customers. Utilize customer reviews and testimonials to build trust and encourage purchases. Engage with your customers through live chat or chatbots for immediate assistance. Continue to learn and adapt by staying updated on e-commerce trends and BigCommerce features. Regularly review and adjust your strategy based on performance metrics to ensure ongoing success. By following these steps, you can effectively upgrade your online sales using BigCommerce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.